Okay. Alright, hello everyone. Today we're down at Umeda, Osaka, and we're gonna go down to this area right here. I don't know if it's gonna be exciting, but I've been down here before many times, but we're on our way back from making another video, and I just thought maybe people would like to see what it looks like down here. Alright, so here it is. So there's like an underground street that goes all the way down. There's one right here. There's many different areas you can go through in this area, and it just stretches for a long, very long radius. You can connect to another train station, but it's really useful when it's raining a lot. Look at this fruit store. How much are these grapes?
2,000 something.
$25. I bet you they're really good. Whoa, it's like everything grapes here. Whoa, that looks so good.
Yes.
I want this one. But how much is this one? Whoa, all this looks good though. What's this one? That one looks good. I wanted this one, but it's like 20 bucks.
Smooth.
Alright, I'm hoping to find some snacks down here while on our way back home.
Man, can enjoy your holiday?
What? Join the holiday?
Enjoying your holiday?
Tonight?
Yeah, with the snacks.
Oh yeah, that's exactly what I'm looking for. Whoa, look at this sushi place. It has a long line. Italian restaurant. I would think, I mean, it's Saturday night. I would think it'd be more busy, but it's not. But we're on the tail end of the street, so.
Maybe because of coronavirus.
I think so. Well, I think there was supposed to be a typhoon here.
We just go back at 8 o'clock.
Yeah, I think it's better. So the food section stops right here, and then it's on to like stores. This is what I think it's called Whitey or Witty Umeda. Whoa, that place is good. Whoa, that place is awesome. Yeah, usually even this part there's a lot of people, but right now there's not that many people. What is this? Storage? Lockers? Alright, here's another foreigner shop. I really like to go to these foreigner shops, so we're gonna go check it out.
Can you sing the song?
Maybe. I'm gonna get this stuff. It's like mango. I mean, not mango, but it's like a strawberry frozen sweet ice cream. Not ice cream, without milk. Oh, I think they restocked. Last time I was here, these shelves weren't this high. I haven't been here in a long time at this exact location. Alright, this whole area is like a labyrinth of just like stores and restaurants and sometimes bars. But it's pretty dead. Usually on a Saturday night it's really packed and filled.
Almost 8.
Oh, that is true. That's a good point. It is almost 8 o'clock, and all these stores are closing at 8 o'clock. Especially the restaurants. It's like an ordinance because of the current pandemic situation going on. Wow, I've never seen this place here. I think this is new. It's selling meat. This place sells secondhand watches. Yeah, a lot of these stores are already closed. I think they were already closed. I think they closed early, or they're already closed. Yeah, but people are just kind of walking through. And then there's like a whole different section on the other side that's kind of a little bit older. And I've made a video about it a long time ago, but maybe I'll redo it again. This Mr. Donut is fairly new. This wasn't here last time. Here's some of these old style restaurants. Yeah, I haven't walked down here in a long time. A lot of these places, like this place would probably have discounted food, probably like around now. Yeah, I bought you a strawberry cake here before when we lived in the old house.
Really?
Yeah. Oh, it's a Baskin Robbins. Is it like a special Snoopy
And they have like a special set,
peanuts?
like
1,280 for all 5 of those? You get a whole box.
pure two plus the tissue from this side.
Also, you can pick
Four
2.
together.
You can pick 2 from here and 2 there.
Yeah.
This Baskin Robbins is like really fancy looking.
Here in Nighton, you don't have a lot of things to do in Shanghai.
Yeah, I definitely don't have that many things to do here
And
compared
right
to Shanghai.
Now it's be like more.
Yeah. I mean, unless you like go drinking or go to the bar, there's not much you can do here.
Even you don't, it's not like a stay emergency. It's still like they close at 9 or around 9 o'clock.
Yeah.
Usually.
Yeah.
That's why.
Yeah. That's true. But there still isn't that many things to do here if you don't drink. I've never been on this side. This food court? Oh yeah. I think there's just the stores, right?
Yeah.
Whoa, there's a lot of people down here. Whoa, there's a lot of people inside there. Actually, I don't think I've been down here before. What? Whoa. Oh, you know what? I've been on that side, but I've never been on this side. Is there like a store over there, like a market?
Yeah, they have some like foreigner store there.
We gotta go to the foreigner store.
Let me check the time.
What time is it?
7:20.
Whoa, look at this shabu shabu place. Whoa, I've never been here. How cool is this? It looks like Pablo Escobar's backyard, because it looks like it's straight out of the 90s. This place is huge. I probably could.
Alright.
It is the same one. What is this supermarket called? It is the same one, but it's a different location. I just call it supermarket because that's what it says. But what does it say in Japanese?
I don't know.
Oh, you don't know the kanji?
And I know the kanji, but I don't know how to read it.
Okay, how do you read it?
I don't know.
Okay. Yeah, it looks like it's about to die out soon. People are about to go home. Yeah, but what is this outside part?
I don't know.
Looks pretty good. Let's see what it looks like. Whoa! What is it? This outside part, is it mochi?
And they have wheat.
Oh. There's a little location over here. They got a few stores. Looks like a lot of these stores are closing down soon. Some vegetables and fruits. That's about it. Whoa. Got a sushi joint over here. Yeah, this area usually gets really packed, but I think... Oh, I thought this was the other way. Okay, should we just go straight?
Yeah.
I think the curfew, or not the curfew, but shutting down stores at 8 o'clock really works because people are not out and about. They're on their way home, and this is a Saturday night. So closing restaurants at 8 o'clock, I think it works for Japan. And everybody kind of plays their part and just does their thing. People do go out and you know, go out and do what they need to do, and then they go back home early. And I think it works for the most part. Well, found this mochi place. It's you get 10 mochi for $10, so it's 100 for one.
They're right.
What they say? All right, my girlfriend wanted to check out the Lukwa Mall before we left. What did you want to look at?
I don't know, just want to look at if they have any store. I haven't seen.
Oh, okay. This place sells only sweet potato products. I think it's pretty much people are just on their way home. Got some sandwiches here, bagel sandwiches. Got some muffins. Oh, there is a there. I thought there was a foreigner shop here. I guess they changed it to Lint.
They have a lot of store chains around here.
Oh, yeah, I guess I haven't been here in a long time. Alright guys, not awkwardly, coincidentally, this is where we started our video this morning. So this is like our third video, and this is full circle. I hope you enjoyed coming along with me today. I hope you watched those other videos, and thank you for all the subscribers that still watch and support me, and see you later. Goodbye. Are you gonna say goodbye?
Goodbye. Did you record my goodbye?
Yep, it's still recording.
Okay.